Hello everyone and welcome to Monica America. Today we are diving into a vibrant celebration of India's Independence Day right here at the Dallas Town Center, Sterling, Virginia. Thousands of proud Indian Americans have come together to honor the rich heritage, enduring culture, and unbreakable spirit of unity in diversity that defines our motherland. The colors of the tricolor are soaring. The rhythm of our traditions fill the air, and the warmth of the Indian community shines brightly as we celebrate the journey of freedom and progress India has made over the decades. From captivating cultural performances and soul-stirring music to the mouth-watering aroma of Indian cuisine, this event, organized by the incredible Anna Sudha Community Kitchen, perfectly captures the essence of being Indian no matter how far we are from home. Join me as we take a patriotic journey filled with energy, pride, and heartful connections that resonate through the hearts of every Indian here today. But before we dive into the celebration, don't forget to subscribe to Monica America and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So let's go and let's check it out.
Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
So friends, as soon as you walk in, you are greeted with the most beautiful decorations that tell the story of India's diverse culture. From Bollywood cutouts and cricket display to traditional elements like rangolis and colorful lights, every corner is a celebration of what it means to be Indian. The tricolor is proudly displayed everywhere, and it's clear that the community has put in a lot of love and effort to make this event truly special. The stage is alive with energy as performers showcase Indians' rich culture heritage through dance and music. From classical forms like Bharatnatyam to high-class energy beats of Bhangra, every performance is a reflection of India's timeless tradition and evolving culture. The colorful costumes, graceful movements, and the sheer passion in each performance have everyone cheering and clapping along.
मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ सारी कम्युनिटी का, चाहे इंडियन हो चाहे सारी कम्युनिटी हो, क्योंकि इस इवेंट में हम सबने मिलके काम किया है और ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा त्यौहार है। हमारे कंट्री में बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, दिवाली, होली, बैसाखी, कितने सारे, लेकिन हमारा इंडिपेंडेंस जो है वो ब्रिटिशर्स से जो हुआ था वो हम सबके लिए, सारे भारतीयों के लिए सबसे बड़ा फेस्टिवल है। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग एंड मेकिंग इट सच अ बिग सक्सेस। बहुत सारा पेट्रियोटिज्म देखने को मिला, बहुत सारी मस्ती करी, बहुत सारे गाने गाए और बहुत सारा प्यार फैलाया। एंड अन्ना सुधा कम्युनिटी किचन रन्स विद द कम्युनिटी, तो सारी कम्युनिटी मिलके हम लोग लोकली यहाँ पे डोनेट करते हैं। जिस कंट्री में हम रहते हैं अमेरिका में, तो हम यही चाहते हैं कि हमारी सारी कम्युनिटी इकट्ठा मिलके लोकली और ज़्यादा गिव बैक करे।
Friends, no celebration is complete without amazing food, and Anna Sudha Community Kitchen has truly outdone themselves. The food stalls are serving up all our favorites, from spicy chaat to mouth-watering biryani, crispy dosas, and indulgent sweets. The flavor takes us straight back to India, and the joy of sharing meal together makes the celebration even more special.
Thank you to all the attendees for being here as we are celebrating this milestone event for India's 78th Independence Day. Dallas Town Center has allowed us to use their previously austere space, so we've transformed this place and celebrating with all attendees from all over Northern Virginia, Maryland, Washington DC, Pennsylvania, Delaware. And thank you to everyone, all sponsors, vendors for being here. Jai Hind!
So friends, up next we have Masala Beats, who have got the crowd on their feet with the mix of classical Bollywood hits and patriotic songs. Their performance is all about bringing people together, and you can feel the unity as everyone sings along to the songs that remind us of our love for India. The excitement and the pride from everyone here today are truly heartwarming. Whether it's kids learning about their roots or elders talking about India's journey to independence, this event has brought generations together to celebrate what it means to be Indian, no matter where we live. A big shout out to the amazing team from Anna Sudha Community Kitchen and all the organizers who have worked tirelessly to bring this event to life.
Happy Independence Day. This is a day of love and kindness, and the Indian diaspora, love to all of you. Carry this message of non-violence, truth, love, kindness wherever you go. Keep a track of our culture, our language, our food, our clothing, and most of all, how we thrive no matter where in the world we live. We contribute so much to the economy of this area. ये बात जरूर याद रखें और participate करें इन चीजों में और हम support one another और नाम बढ़ा के रखें.
We also heard from local politicians and community leaders who expressed their admiration for the Indian American community and its contribution to the region. Their support and encouragement show how valued our culture is in the larger community.
There are more than 100,000 Indian Americans in Virginia. The last 3 governor's elections, 2 out of the last 3 were determined by less than 50,000 votes. Where the Indian community votes, the future of Virginia goes. So please be involved, be engaged. Your vote is your voice in society, and I will always be with the Indian community. The Governor Glenn Youngkin, will always have your back.
Well, first of all, I'm honored, simply honored to be the Master of Ceremony. I think the Loudoun County and the Indian community and Anna Sudha have absolutely mesmerized the Indian American community. They've gone out of their way to please everyone here. And I think this is simply marvelous. Why not do fundraising? Why not feed a hungry heart and a soul? Why not? So I'm all for it, and it's beautiful. The setup, the layout, everything is excellent.
First, let me just say Happy Independence Day, Happy 78th Independence Day, and all praise and credit for Gandhi for leading this the charge for freedom, for liberty, and it's a value that we cherish here in the United States. And I'm very proud to be able to share this celebration with India, the joint celebration of liberty and of freedom, of individual rights and religious freedom and free speech and economic freedom. And I think that's what makes this country great, what makes India great, what makes the United States great.
यार सबसे पहले तो पूरे इंडिया को, पूरे भारत को हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस. आई थिंक ये 78 इंडिपेंडेंस डे है और बड़ी खुशी होती है जब 14 अगस्त आती है, 15 अगस्त आती है, क्योंकि हम यूएसए में हैं तो हम सब कल्चर्स को, सब इंडिपेंडेंस को हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. और यहाँ डैलस टाउन सेंटर में अन्ना सुधा ने बड़ा अच्छा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कराया है, जो कि इंडिपेंडेंस इवेंट होने के साथ एक कल्चरल इवेंट भी है, जहाँ पे वो अपने पूरे कल्चर को, फूड कल्चर को, डांस कल्चर को, बॉलीवुड कल्चर को डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं. और हमें ये सब देख के और हम उसको फूड को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, उनके परफॉर्मेंस को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है कि ये कल्चरल एक डाइवर्जन है.
This is such an incredible community. I grew up next to a Gujarati family. My children's first food was Indian food, and it's my favorite food. And if I'm traveling and I'm homesick, I go to an Indian restaurant.
Wishing everyone a happy Indian Independence Day. It's a wonderful occasion, and all that freedom and values that we fight for is what integrates India, Pakistan, and America. So we need to stay together as one big pocket for the betterment of our community. Happy Indian Independence Day and happy Pakistan Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Hi, my name's Patty Minders. I'm with the Attorney General Jason Miyares' office. We want to wish all Indian Americans a happy Independence Day. 75 years is quite an accomplishment, and from one immigrant family to another, we want to wish you a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Congratulations. We're proud to be able to serve the Independence Day, attend the celebration, and talk about what we do in this county for everybody. And these are people that are near and dear to me because they supported me during the campaign.
Happy Indian Independence Day.
Well, first of all, happy Indian Independence Day to all the Indian Americans here in Virginia and across the country. As many people know, I'm the Chief Deputy Secretary of Commerce, but more importantly, I'm the son of immigrants. And growing up in America, my family, we appreciated the fact that immigrants were entrepreneurs. They focused on education. They understood the value of a good education, and they worked hard. And so as I think about the Indian community, they represent and resonate all of these incredible values. Hard workers, entrepreneurs, they focus on education. And so I just want everyone to know that the Governor Glenn Youngkin, whom I work for, he supports the Indian community. Me, Juan Pablo, in my role as Chief Deputy Secretary, I support the Indian community, and we will always have the Indian communities back here in Virginia and across the country.
A very happy 78th Independence Day to all of you. It's so much fun here, this festival at the Dallas Town Center, and I hope you're having a good time.
I wish everyone in DMV a very happy India Independence Day. Independence Day for me is a remembrance to the freedom fighters, our history, our heritage, our culture.
Namaste, my name is Kannan Srinivasan, Assembly Delegate for House District 26 in Loudoun County. India Independence celebrations here is extremely nice. India's independence is very precious to us. Coming from the largest democracy to the oldest democracy, coming from the land of Gandhi to the land of Dr. Martin Luther King. You know, we are two natural allies in the world stage. The Indian community is very strong here. The contribution the Indian diaspora has made to this society is extraordinary. And I hope this Indian Independence Day brings our communities much closer and even more closer, so that the full potential of these two large democracies are fully achieved. Again, happy Independence Day to the community, and hope you have a wonderful celebration. Thank you.
And now for the moment that unites us all as we stand together singing our national anthem, the pride and emotions are overwhelming. It's a powerful reminder of the freedom we cherish and the legacy we carry forward. So friends, today's celebration was a beautiful mix of culture, community and patriotism. From the stunning decorations to the dance performances, music, food and heartful messages, this event truly captured the spirit of India's Independence Day. Thank you for joining me on this special journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Monica America for more content celebration of our culture, traditions and life in America. Until next time, Jai Hind, and keep celebrating the richness of our heritage. God bless you, God bless India, and may God bless United States of America.